If you wonder if Huawei Watch Fit 4 does have Apple Pay, well, let me quickly tell you that no, the Huawei Watch Fit 4 will not have Apple Pay, since the Apple Pay is the official software made by Apple for Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, or Apple Watches. But this phone actually does have some kind of wallet application or something like this. I mean the smartwatch. As you go into the devices and Huawei Watch Fit 4, let's take a look at the app gallery, and all the way down in this app gallery we will be able to find the Quico wallet. But if you are watching this film a couple of months after the release, there is a high possibility that there is such an application, since this watch actually does support payments. But for some reason right now there is no such an application like a wallet, but on the Pro version of this Huawei watch there is such an application. So maybe it's some kind of a bug, maybe they will release this application for this version later. So that's the quick answer for you.